Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw this Ganesha easily using alphabets X, Y and Z. At first we have to write X, Y, Z in this way. First you have to write X and leaving the same distance you have to write Y, and the same distance you have to leave here and you have to write Z. Space between three alphabets should be same. First let us start with alphabet X. We have to start with the crown of Ganesha. Here you have to draw the curves like this. At the top you have to make a design like this, and inside this crown you have to draw curves like this. Here you have to do design like this, flower design. One after the other you have to do the flower design to the both sides, and in this space also you have to continue the design like this. See, continuously you have to draw the flower design up to here. Now make these two lines thick to visualize the crown broader. Now let us draw the face of Ganesha. Join these two lines to alphabet Y, and to the both sides draw two big curves like this, and simultaneously you have to draw another two curves like this. Now join two zigzag curves downwards and join the curves to the face of Ganesha like this. Now you can see the ears. Inside the ears join two lines like this. Now the most important part, that is eyes of Ganesha. Just draw two curves. Inside the curves join two rounds and complete the eyes like this. Now I will draw the eyebrows. At the center I am drawing the tilak. It should come like this. Now the trunk part should come downwards to this line. See, draw two lines both sides like this and take a curve and finish the trunk like this. Draw two teeth here, one sharp and one blunt. Now let's come to the Z. Here we have to draw the feet of Ganesha and finish it with this jewelry. Now let us draw the leg. Just put a curve and join here. The same to the opposite side, put another curve and join here. Now drawing the border to both sides. Now drawing the stomach, just put two curves and put a point here. Now for hands and mouth we have to draw ovals like this. We have to draw the ovals slightly so that we can rub it afterwards. Now we can draw hands and mouth easily inside these oval shapes. See, inside this oval just draw 5 curves like this and join that from downside to make it like a hand, and here you can draw this modaka like this. Draw another line here for jewelry. Now let us draw the abhaya hasta. Down you have to draw a curve and draw the thumb and just draw lines, 5 lines, and join the curves at the top and put a line like this, and inside this one write Om. See, now the both hands are over. Now let us draw the shoulders. From here you have to drag two lines, and here you have to draw the chest, and in this part you have to draw the jewelry. Just draw two curves and make curved design like this. See, this is simple design, just putting curves like this and finishing the jewelry. Now draw a line here. This is Janivar. And to the both hands you have to draw the hand bands like this to the both sides of the hands here, and in this part this is called hand band. This is also a jewelry. Now let us draw the mouse. Inside this oval just draw the mouse like this. This is simple mouse. On the curves just putting the ears and one dot for eyes, and this is legs and this is the hands, just putting line drawings like this. At last drag a curved line like this. It will appear like a tail. Now almost Ganesha and mouse drawing is completed. Now let us draw a carpet to this Ganesha. Draw two slant lines like this and join it with a horizontal line. Continue the same to the outer line also. Now put small lines at the front of this carpet to make the carpet more aesthetic. See how beautifully we can draw Ganesha using alphabets X, Y and Z. Now let us go for coloring part. Use yellow color for the jewel parts, and for the carpet border also use yellow. And for the designs and all, I am using red and light green. You can use colors of your own choice according to your creativity and color sense. See, I have used different colors here. For the skin part, using peach color is most relevant. Now the coloring is completed. Finally, we have to drag some lines to the dhoti here, and we have to draw some designs on the crown of the Ganesha. We're just putting X lines like this, and inside this one you have to put small dots. See how beautifully you can draw a Ganesha using alphabets X, Y and Z. Friends, try this drawing and don't hesitate to share your experience in comment box. Have a colorful day.